Here's how you can use the 3D paint tools in Maya to blend two different materials together with a mask. So you have two materials in Maya and you want to combine them by maybe having this stone as a path on this grassy material. If you open up the Hypershade editor, so we have our two materials here, we have our stone material and our ground material, and then create a AI mix shader and then plug in both of those materials into the mix shader, one into shader 1 and one into shader 2, and then apply that mix shader. You can see we're getting a bit of a blend of the two, but what if we want to more accurately control this by maybe painting on where we'd like our path? And that is actually something you can do in Maya with 3D paint tools. I'm going to apply a new material, just a basic Lambert material, and then come to the rendering tab at the top and then double click on the 3D paint tool. And then going to scroll down and go to assign edit texture, and here you can set the resolution of your texture. I'm going to go with a 4K one, but you can do lower or higher if you like, and then just click assign edit texture. Then make sure you have textured mode turned on at the top here of Maya, and then I'm going to turn the flood color from white to black and just click flood paint. That will make the whole object black, and what we're going to do is we're going to paint on the white area where we'd like our path to be, or where we'd like the stone to show up, and the black area will be where the grass is. So if I just simply begin to paint onto the surface in a squiggly line, you can make this however you like. Once that's done, just click on Save Textures. We can now go back and exit out of the 3D paint tool and apply our mix shader again. I'm going to open up the Hypershade editor and create a file node. I'm then going to connect up the image that we just created with our 3D paint texture. Just navigate to the source images folder of your Maya project folder and navigate to where your paint texture was stored, and then just click open. I'm now going to set the color space of this from sRGB to utility and raw, and then turn on alpha as luminance. It's important you do these steps, otherwise this won't work correctly. You can then take the out alpha or just one of the out red, green or blue and plug that into the mix of the mix shader. So that's how you can use 3D paint tools in Maya to create a mask to merge two different materials together, and you can layer these up to create all sorts of things like environments.